Anybody been wondering what this, my favorite Chinese cheapie Hoover Tempo Widepath, actually does for suction on my new airflow and suction box? So I've made an extreme effort this time to make absolutely sure that I have every nook and cranny sealed, cleaned, and adjusted to get the absolute maximum suction out of this thing. So you see there a brand new Crucial HEPA bag, and that has a collar that is wickedly tight. I mean, it is really tight compared to the regular Hoover Y paper bags that you use. I've gone through and I've cleaned all the seals, especially, say, here in this front compartment cover, right? And you can use like some Armor All and a Q-tip and paper towels and whatnot, and make sure everything doesn't have any dust on it. And then I took the actual nozzle apart. There's a small assembly in there where the brush roll sits in a small sub-assembly of plastic, and we just went through and just vacuumed everything out, made sure everything was wiped down, super clean. There is a front part in this nozzle that I tend to kind of forget about because it's hidden. You don't really see it until you take the rug plate off. Then you take the rug plate off, you examine the belt, and there's a little small compartment in here that gets clogged up with, oh, say, dog hair or carpet fluff or whatever it is. Bottom line, everything's been completely cleaned out and made just as tight as I can possibly make it for the revised airflow and suction tests. So without further ado, let me show you what we can get for airflow out of this thing, and then we'll try suction. And truth be told, this is actually round 2. I've already gone and done a round where I tested airflow and suction, and I got some really great results. So, I mean, wow, for a machine of this price, jeez, I'm really, really excited about it. Okay, so here we go with the airflow. Okay, we are at 123 volts right now. It'll go down to about 122 when I turn this on, and this is a 12 amp motor that really does run at 12 amps. Okay, so you notice you heard a little belt vibration in there. That's actually typical for this machine because the belt is stretched over a long distance and it's not under any load like, say, on a carpet. Nothing wrong with the machine. That's just what the belt does after it's got a little bit of wear on it. Drives me nuts if I'm running it on bare floors, but on carpet, nah, doesn't make any noise at all. Okay, so let's see what we have. So 3484 times our conversion factor. Would be nice if I actually typed that right. And we are at about 91 CFM. Oh, I've got some glare in there. Here. We are at 90.9 CFM, so about 91 CFM. It makes a big difference when I can actually seal the rear of the rug plate back here. So I've got some tape all the way around the front and the sides, but the main thing is I've got a great seal on the back now. And I've gone through and cleaned everything to a much better degree than I ever did before, because we need to check the suction on this thing. And I'm amazed at what I was able to get. It's shockingly good. Just for fun, watch this. All right, let's measure it. Okay, it's going to get loud, so turn your headphones down. All right, I saw 42 inches of lift. And keep in mind, this is well, at least it is now, or the last time I saw it, a sub $100 machine. So that is fantastic for nozzle suction. Some people can show you some great hose suction. This is fantastic for nozzle suction. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.